The linear function f of 0 equals 8 and f of 1 equals 12. Which equation defines f? So we have a hint here. So we have a linear function which tells us that this is going to be a y equals mx plus b. So we can start there. And we also have the y-intercept, which is always going to be our b value in a linear function. So f of 0 equals 8. We know that y is going to be equal to mx plus 8. And there's two ways to solve this now. So the first way, I'll go through both of them. The first way is to plug in an x and y. So we can plug in 8 and 0. So m times 0 plus b plus 8. Actually, we're not going to use that one since that was the one we used to find the b. So we'll use the other one. We have 12 equals m times 1 plus 8. And then we can get subtract 8 from both sides, and you get m is equal to 4. So that tells us that you're going to have D as your correct answer. And another way to solve it is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we'll do 12 minus 8 over 1 minus 0. And that gives us 4 over 1 as our m. So either way, you're basically solving the same thing, just in two different ways. Now, you'll just plug back in the values into the original equation. So then you get y equals 4x plus 8. And you can also check it in your calculator. I'm not going to do this one since it's a simple equation.